How to know if you're blocked on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about knowing if you're blocked on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply launch the application. And to find out someone has blocked you on Snapchat, you have to first search by their username. So tap on the search bar in the top and then search them using Snapchat username. If they've blocked you, you won't be able to find them, which directly indicates that you have been blocked. If you and the person you suspect has blocked you and are part of the same group, open the group chat, tap on the group name to see the list of the members, and if you can't find their name, it's possible that you've been blocked. You can also ask a mutual friend to search for that person's username, and if they can find them but you cannot, it's likely that you have been blocked. So that's all you need to check. This is how you can know if you're blocked on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.